Alrighty guys, so I just got the machine placed up in here. So far we got the water connection line hooked up right here. We got about 1.5 foot of hose right here. We got our filter right in the middle. We got the arrow facing towards the water flow. This is about a 2.5 foot hose right here. We got our clamps right here. We tighten those down, not too tight because you can break them real easy. One thing that did not come with this machine is one of these fittings. So this fitting, I just picked it up at the pressure washing store today. It's gonna go right in here. So we screw that on, you know, get some thread tape in there first. And then we're gonna get this hose right here. This is just a little hose. We put that on there. We get this on there. So when you're letting off the trigger, the pressure, this hose, it's gonna go back right into the tank and it's gonna spray the pressure water into the water tank. So we got a little hole cut in the top right there, and this hose just goes straight to here. Put a clamp on there and we tighten that up as well. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hook up the battery. We're gonna put a battery right here. This is a pretty tight fit, guys. This is a smaller trailer, but I'll show you guys everything set up. We're gonna get another gas tank in here on the other side and we'll button everything up. All right guys, check it out. Super excited. I know it's a tight fit, it's a smaller trailer, but we got the two 8-gallon-a-minute machines. Both the exhausts are coming out this way. We got the battery hooked up right here in the battery box. Like I said, we added this fitting right here, got everything tightened up. Only thing I need to buy is a chemical injector to put in right here, but this is our whip line. This hose right here goes straight to the hose reel right there. So we got the hose reel going out. This feeds back into the tank. It's gonna go in there, so we just cut a little hole, put a stick in there. I only got a 3-gallon, I believe, yeah, that's a 3-gallon gas tank. So I got that at West Marine, so I got some hose, put a little fitting in there in that gas tank, and it just runs gravity fed. Everything's gravity fed on these. You don't need any pumps from your lines, you know, you just run it straight. Obviously you don't want to put a machine way up high and then your water down low, so it has to go upstream. But if everything's level, everything will flow just right, guys. So especially when you fill up that water tank a little bit more. So we got everything. We got the battery box for this machine on that side. We got this gas tank right here. We got a filter right there. Got our filters right there. It's looking pretty good. That's the old machine. Bye-bye. Soft wash. We got 8-gallon-a-minute, 8-gallon-a-minute water source. We'll reel that out, hook it up to the house. Super excited. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Check it out.